What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm the Very Great Shooter. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to auto align your clips. Now, you already know, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button so you can see DaVinci Resolve tutorials and camera gear reviews. Okay, so you guys ever have the problem of not being able to match your clips properly that have different audios? Now in DaVinci Resolve, it's only 2 clicks away. And I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to get this done. If we go into my editing timeline, you can see that I already dropped my audio and my video that I need to be synced up together. You just highlight both clips with their audio and you right click on them and you go to auto align clips. Now, if you have time code for your media, that would be super accurate. But if you don't, what the system will do is it will match up the sound waves on both clips together. Let's give it a try based on waveform. And then now we're gonna play the waiting game a little bit. And we're just gonna let it do its thing. Usually it's about anywhere from 5 to 12 seconds. Okay, and now we're done. So if we look at our clips, now we can see that they're all matched up with each other perfectly. Now, if you guys found this tutorial very easy to do, hit me with that thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can see more DaVinci Resolve tutorials and hit that bell icon so you could be notified when I release those videos. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Deuces.